werewolf with a Chinese menu in his hand, walking through the streets of Soho in the rain. He was looking for a place called Lee Ho Folks. Gonna get a big dish of beef chow mein. Werewolves in London. Werewolves in London. Held a high around the kitchen door. Better not let him in. Little old lady got muted late last night. Werewolves in London again. Werewolves in London. Werewolves in London. Who ran amok in Kent. Lately he's been overheard in Mayfield. Better stay away from him. Who really loves our Jim? I'd like to meet his tailor. Werewolves in London. Werewolves in London. Well, Salon Cheney walking with Queen, doing the werewolves of London. Salon Cheney Jr. walking with Queen, doing the werewolves of London. Saw a werewolf drinking a pina colada at Trader Vic's. His hair was perfect. Werewolves of London. Werewolves of London. I practiced my part all week. Tony